The ultimate guide of the mortgage deed is when and what are the purpose of mortgage deed and what are the component of the mortgage deed. In this video, I will tell you about that. What is the definition of the mortgage deeds and component that is the mortgage deed. Mortgage, as we discussed before, that it is a play an important role to process for any mortgage. The deed is a mandatory part of any mortgage or to acquire loan. However, understanding legal aspects of the mortgage can be daunting, and it is on critical document the mortgage process is the mortgage deed. So the mortgage deed, also known as the mortgage trust or a security instrument or a formal record attached to the existence of an agreement. In this video, I will discuss that the detail what is the mortgage deed as well as the its component. Mortgage deed is also referred to a deed or trust or security instrument. It is a legal document that is a proof of a loan or an agreement between borrower or lender. It is typically used to secure the any property or loan, like typically in a real estate. So a mortgage deed serves as the safeguard for a lender by allowing them to foreclose on the property and get back their investment in case of the borrower fail to repay the loan. In other words, the mortgage deed gives the lender a legal claim known as the lien or a charge on a property. The fees enable that the lender to take possession of the property and sell it to the settle outstanding loan the balance. The mortgage deed establishes the terms and conditions of the mortgage agreement between the borrower, often referred as a mortgager, and a lender known as a mortgagee. It outlines the obligation of both parties, including the repayment schedule, conditions, defer conditions, and the base of the lender or borrower condition worthiness, and the current market condition. By requiring the borrower to sign the mortgage deed, the lender mitigate the risk associated with the lending a substantial amount of the money. The mortgage deed provides the legal protection and ensures that the lender has legal resources in case of the borrower default on the loan. The security allow lender to offer the competitive interest rate and more favorable long term, making the home ownership and the more accessible individual who may have entire purchased the upfront. So these are the basics definition, or I told you about that the basic purpose of the mortgage deed. Now I am discussing about the component of the mortgage deed. The mortgage deed basic components are I will discuss in this video that the mortgage deed contains the several essential components that outline the terms and conditions of both mortgage agreement. Understanding these components is a crucial for both borrower and lender. So let's explore the each component in detail. While loan, the frequency of the loan either is a flexible or either is a fixed, either is a variable. These terms and conditions may include the provision of the late payments, penalties, payment options, interest rates, depending on the specific agreement. Now, third thing is that the property descriptions. The mortgage deed also include the detailed description of the property that is used to the collateral. The description typically includes the property address, boundaries, legal descriptions to ensure the accuracy. It ensures that the lender has a clear understanding of the property against which mortgage is being to the secured. Now, fourth thing is that what are the mortgage clauses? The mortgage clauses may be included in deed to the further define the rights and obligation of the both parties. In mortgage classes, there are also subclasses clauses. That one is that the acceleration clause. If the borrower fail to meet the terms and agreement or breach it, the lender can require the entire outstanding loan to be repaid with his provision. Due on sale clause. These clause require the loan to be repaid if the property is sold or transferred to the new owner. It protects the lender interests and ensures that they have control over their repayment process. Now, third clause is that the insurance and the taxes. So the mortgage deed may be stipulate that the borrower has responsible for monitoring property insurance, paying the property taxes, and the protect the lender investment. Now, fifth thing is that the signatures and the notarization. The mortgage deed to be legally binding, both the borrower and the lender need to sign the signature, include the party agreement. So it must be the signature must be terms and condition outlined in the deed. In the many jurisdictions notarizations or witnessing by legal authority is required to validate the agreement. It is essential for a borrower to be carefully review all components of the mortgage deed before the signing it. By understanding these agreeing terms and conditions with the mortgage deed, borrower can ensure they are fully aware of their obligation and can make the informed decision regarding their loan agreement. Likewise, the lender lay on the mortgage deed, secure their investment, establish their right, remedies, case of default, non-compliance by the borrower. So these are the main basic components and mortgage deed and the purpose of the mortgage deed. So hope you will like this video. This all that is all for now. Hope you will subscribe my channel as well. So take care. Bye bye.